so amazing.
Yeah.
Just look at it.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Good morning, beautiful Scorpio minds. It's 5 a.m. What am I making? What am I doing here? Why am I awake? It's easy because we're doing something really special, really nice. I meet Axel finally, and together with him and Laurie, we're gonna drive to a place. I don't even know where it is. He just sent me a picture. He was like, "Do you want to go tomorrow?" I was like, "Hell yes." So that's why I'm awake right now, and I couldn't really sleep tonight, so I had like 3 hours of sleep and a little bit of like on-off, but it's alright, it's worth it. I'm so looking forward to go there and show you the place. It's gonna be awesome. And I get updates from my parents all the time from Kiwi. Just look at her. Such a cutie. And they're also playing. I'm so happy to see this. Because when I was there, they weren't playing at all. But now they are. Oh gosh. Kiwi, we're both on vacation. It's awesome. Hola! Guys, we're almost at the waterfalls. It's like all up north in Bali, so it's a really kind of long drive. Google Maps said 2 hours, but it didn't take us 2 hours. And now we're here on this lookout point. It's just so beautiful. And there's a swing, and Axel's gonna swing.
Bro, to become a real schmonkey, you have to try this, whatever this is.
Okay, what if it's poisonous?
Yeah, leave it there.
Then you become a real schmonkey. Can we see?
The leaves also look super cute.
Definitely not.
Ina ab.
Ya, ya,
Makan?
ya, pakis. Pakis.
Enak?
Ya, no.
Tidak?
Ya.
Okay. So you don't eat it.
You don't need it.
Marquison.
We made it. There's like a little chicken.
We don't need it.
Oh, this is so cute.
I've been here before several times. React? I've already seen it. Wow.
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 Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow.
How lucky am I that I can be here? Just
With
like
me,
walking. Yeah, with you two cuties. Nah. I haven't even introduced you. I didn't really start.
Yeah,
This is
I'm her new boyfriend.
Axel, not
Okay, I'm her cousin.
cousin. What?
Do you have
the
cousins?
hell? Yes, I do. I do. They're Dutch.
Really?
Can you speak Dutch?
Like, yeah, oh, like,
Oh yeah, you do actually.
ja!
Speak Dutch for my people.
Wat wil ik zeggen? Ik hou van jou, schatje.
Oh, ik ook van jou.
Oh.
Yeah, so cute. But yeah, no, life is great. Life is awesome. I love it here, and I cannot wait to go for a swim because it's already so warm. And then take some epic pictures because the waterfall. Just stay tuned, guys. So beautiful, guys.
The Waterfall.
It's alright. I hope.
You see yourself.
How awesome is this spot?
It's wow.
We just took like a million pictures and
It's
now
wow.
it's wow. You cannot say anything else. And now we're gonna hop into the water. And I'm so happy I brought my DJI cam. Like,
Yeah, it looks so dope.
It looks so nice. And we can see each other. Awesome. And I can take underwater shots, which is perfect. So let's dive in. Nature's so beautiful. This is the second waterfall. It's kind of hidden, like in the corner to the right. I love it.
First of all, how amazing is Wanaga dragon fruit? So good.
All sorts of coffee.
Right? There is only one coffee we can't drink because it's not vegan. It's Luva coffee. Do you know how that works?
Yeah, it's the shit of a cat.
Shit of a cat.
They are.
Like they're really special.
Are you sure it's Australians or?
Yeah, it doesn't make a
Anyways,
difference.
but we basically just got given.
Oh wow, that one's strong.
Red
What is
ginger
it?
tea.
Special Balinese coffee taste testing.
Yeah,
Ooh,
something like
actually-
that.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Wow, that's strong
That doesn't
ginger.
have milk in it.
No.
Oh, that's a good
Ooh,
burn.
that one is good.
That's a good burn. Try that.
Tanya's trying
I
that.
hate ginger.
If you hate ginger, you will love this because it's so strong.
Oh, we're healthy now. Dig into this. And what do you have?
Basically, vegetables with giraffes, milk, and some humanely slaughtered.
Tofu.
No, this is
Tahu.
Oh, it is tofu. I thought it was chicken. I ordered chicken. God damn it!
God damn it.
Shot.
Yeah, fucking vegans.
Sorry, what were you doing?
Okay, this is Axel's favorite meal.
Yeah. And you see what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give it to Tanya.
Oh.
Sharing is caring. Just don't know.
Oh, that was ruthless.
What a day, you guys. And now I'm here at the restaurant because I'm kind of starving and everything is so blue. Like, why? Okay, let's start this again like that. How was your day?
It was good, probably not as exciting as your day was, so tell me about your
Probably
day.
not. Oh my god. It was
I
awesome.
already saw some pictures, they look insane.
They look insane. When we're back home, I need to show them to you there.
2 months? I also want to see the pictures from yesterday, do you have them?
Me too, I have you now, yeah. Oh my god, I don't know. We went to the waterfall and it was like the cleanest waterfall ever and we got there pretty early-ish, like at 8 or 9.
You left at 5 a.m.
Yeah, it was all up north, like all the way up north side. We drove like almost 2 hours to get and yeah. Yeah, and there were like almost no people at the beginning, and then there were some people, but it was still alright, and we just took like a million.
That's cool.
I saw someone that was looking for.
So awesome, and that guy over there like took the best one. And we got some with like the rainbow.
Oh yeah, I saw them.
Oh my god, and now I'm like so tired because we were sitting on the bike for so long.
Are you sunburned?
A little, yeah. I applied sunscreen all the time and it still happens.
The sun is strong here, guys.
Yeah. Anyway,
But I'm happy for you.
it was so good. It was so good. I'm so happy right now.
I can tell.
Now I cannot wait to have food with all of these guys. Because they're all part of organic. Yeah. How was your day? Did you get your bisexual?
Yeah, I did. And I just basically worked the whole day.
So I need to have work today tomorrow probably to edit all this.
And I went to the gym just now.
How was it?
That's good. Yeah. Upper body strength session.
Nice. God, I'm so hungry. So hungry. Woo! Finally sit down, use some other gutter. Looks so good, so good. Can't wait. I want all of them, please.
About my trip home from the waterfall.
Yeah, let's tell it.
Great, I'll tell you. So we were on our way home. We were like, after 2 hours, we were exhausted, being down by the sun, about to collapse. We were like 15-20 minutes away from home, and then suddenly we turn a corner and then just like this bang, and the tire pops, and like within like a second it's completely flat. We're like, fuck, what do we do now? So we went up to like one of the closest guys I saw, because everyone in Bali, you know, just wants to help you out. And they're like, oh yeah bro, like just around the corner, there's this like fixing place. So we literally just like pushed it around the corner to this guy, and he didn't speak a word of English, but he was so nice, so friendly, and his son came out and helped us paint the thing. And I was like, how much? How much is it going to cost? I was so scared they were going to charge me like heaps of money. And he was like, oh no, don't worry. And he wouldn't tell me how much it cost. And you know when you don't tell you, it's like, fuck, it's going to be a lot.
Yeah.
So me and Tanya were just sitting there for like, I don't know, 15-20 minutes while they fix it. And at the end he's like, yeah, 25,000.
Which is nothing, it's like
$2.
not even €2, yeah.
And so then I gave
It's
30,000.
crazy, yeah.
And he was like, oh, thank you so much. It's like 50 cents tip.
It was so nice. It was awesome.
Anyway, good story.
And he
But then-
saved our day.
Yeah, he was a good guy.
Yeah.
But then we also saw this massive fat pig in the back of the trailer, which I think was being taken to slaughter. So that was kind of ruined
that was a
moment
bummer.
a little bit.
I know.
But and we also saw a dead dog. And we also were walking up the stairs back
did
from the
not,
waterfall,
but yeah.
and Axel, and then right next to Axel there was this bang, like literally missed him by this much, and it was a mouse.
Yeah.
And there was like,
And it was still
hit the thing,
breathing.
it was like breathing, and I felt so bad because it was still like half alive, and it was like breathing, and then I think it died there because it stopped breathing.
Yeah. We stared at it for like 10 minutes or something. It was like 5 minutes. Yeah. No, it was not nice. But the rest of the trip was nice.
The rest of the trip,
Awesome.
amazing.
What an awesome day it was yesterday, guys. I was up from 5. When did we go to sleep? Like 12:30?
Yeah, something like that.
So it was like a really long day, but I enjoyed every minute of it. I haven't even shown you that we went out for a little party, which just danced for
Like an hour, maybe.
an hour, yeah. And then we went home and I was so tired and I just slept through, which was awesome. And now I already took some pictures with the bikinis from like this day here. And the dog, she's so cute, Simba, and she's lying in the sun. It's crazy. How can you lie in the sun all the time? It's just so hot, and even the stone just standing on it, it's just so warm. But you're so cute. Aww. And look at her skin, it's just all dark. Kiwi is like pink, almost white here. And she's like dark. Huh? Do you like belly rubs too? I think she likes belly rubs too. I think it's a dog thing, hey? So cute. I'll hop in the pool later, but now I'm gonna show you something because you can actually go upstairs here. This location is called Happy Fish, by the way. It's a yoga retreat, but at the moment there's no yoga retreat happening. But yeah, I love this location so much. Just when you get up and you have the pool outside your front and the lawn and Simba the dog, just so perfect. But yeah, oh yeah, I can show you
one of the rooms upstairs. So nice, isn't it? And then we just go up the stairs here. Open the door. And we're up on the rooftop, kind of. Usually this is made for like yoga, but because there's no yoga retreat, we can just be up here and stretch if we wanted to, or just enjoy the view. You little beautiful awesome Scorpio minds, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, because I enjoyed filming it, going there so much. And yeah, it's just my second adventure here in Bali, so stay tuned, there's so much more to come. And I cannot, like, I'm just so happy. Yesterday evening when we went out for dinner, I was just smiling the whole time because I was just so happy, so filled with endorphins, and yeah, it was crazy. Love it, love life, love just every second of it. Let's jump into the pool, shall we? And yeah, thank you so much for watching. That was it. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you have a really nice day, just as I do. And I cannot wait to see you back here on my channel. So yeah, I love you guys. Goodbye.